Want to boost your YouTube views? Discover in this video how to optimize your channel with top keywords and description in order to rank higher and get more viewers. Hey, Alexis Aranoia here. Welcome to my channel where I help Gen Xers and beyond learn how to grow a YouTube channel. So the first thing I want to talk about is thinking about what keywords you should have on your site. And there's a couple of ways you can do that. One, I would recommend ChatGPT if you haven't used it already. And once you're in there, think about your YouTube channel. Give me a list of keywords for a YouTube channel that is geared towards Gen Xers wanting to be YouTubers and create a semi-passive income on YouTube via getting monetized. Hit enter and see what the list of keywords are that come up. It's thinking, here we are, Gen X YouTubers, YouTube monetization, passive income on YouTube, YouTube success, earning money on YouTube, side hustle on YouTube, YouTube channel set up for beginners, YouTube SEO for Gen X. You can read through this list, but that's a bunch of keywords. Now that you have kind of a list of keywords here, this could be added into your description. It also could be added into your channel keywords, which I'll show you how to do shortly. But the other thing I wanted to point out is, let's say you have a channel that has many videos on it already, and you're wondering how people are actually finding you. Like, how are they getting connected with your videos currently? Like, what are they searching for? You can actually find this in your analytics, and I think it's quite fascinating. If you go into your YouTube studio and you go into analytics and you go into see more down here, and now we can actually look at the traffic source. If we go into the YouTube search, then you can see all the keywords people are using to find your videos. 4% of my views are coming from monetization on YouTube. 2.7% how to get monetized on YouTube. AdSense, becoming a YouTuber, getting monetized. This is something I don't have in my description, becoming a YouTuber, which I definitely should add in because that's what my channel is all about. How to, monetization, monetize YouTube channels, supermarket shopping. Not sure why that's getting people to my site. Random. When YouTube channel monetization. So basically people want to know how long it takes, I think. YouTube monetization policy 2024, YPP eligibility in YouTube. So that kind of gives you a basic idea, and I think it's really great. Okay, so that's just a brief introduction to how traffic source can help you give you ideas about your keywords. So that should give you a base. So now we can go back into our channel and go back to view your channel. And we can edit our description. Let's start with our description first. Go to customize channel once you're in view your channel. So you go here, and then we're gonna go into basic info. And then once we're here, we're gonna write a description about who you're trying to target, what your YouTube channel is all about. I'm going to type something into ChatGPT to get a good description going, and then I can modify it from there. I just wrote a brief ideas of what I want my YouTube description to say. So write a YouTube channel description for a channel geared at Gen X wanting to become YouTubers and build a semi-passive income on YouTube, beginners to advanced. The channel will provide tips, tutorials, and honest opinions on how to grow your channel, as well as share my own monetization journey. It will cover how to get monetized, how to set up YouTube channel, educational content regarding being a content creator, and more. Gives a ChatGPT a main idea to work with, and then you hit enter, and it does some thinking, and here it starts to write it out. And remember that what we're really trying to do is optimize for keywords. So we really want to get a lot of keywords in this description and not make it sound keyword heavy. Also, once you have something from ChatGPT, I wouldn't recommend just pasting it onto your channel. I would read through it and I would personalize it, give it your voice. Also, something you can do in ChatGPT is write it in a casual tone or write it in a professional tone or something like that, and it will edit the description for that type of voice. Right now it says, welcome to your channel name, the ultimate destination for Gen Xers who are ready to dive into the exciting world of YouTube. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to advance your skills, our channel is dedicated to helping you build a successful YouTube business and create semi-passive income. Join us as we share expert tips, step-by-step tutorials, and honest opinions on how to grow your channel from scratch. We cover everything from setting up your YouTube channel and creating engaging content to getting monetized and maximizing your earnings. So I think it's quite good. So it's got a lot of keywords in this, like on this channel you'll find, and then it says subscribe now and embark on your YouTube journey with us. The one thing that I would change right away with this is that I'm not an us or our, I'm a me. So I would say rewrite this again in first person because I'm all about authenticity and there's no one else behind this channel but me. So, hey there, welcome to my channel. Now it's changed everything from our and us to my. If you're a Gen X or looking to dive into it, so it's all the same stuff, basically, just with my, me, I'm, that type of stuff. So that's one thing I would switch. I also want to add in certain things that I'm interested in. So if we go back to our list up here, if there's anything in here that we could do SEO, maybe we could add that in. We could add in digital income, some other words. So let's say I want to add in YouTube SEO, YouTube profits, digital income. I want to have YouTuber in there because people were finding me through that word. So rewrite again and include YouTuber, YouTube SEO, YouTube success, getting started, affiliate marketing, maybe online courses, because I will talk about that. So let's see what it does now. Step-by-step tutorials, affiliate marketing, strategy to boost your income, guidance on creating and selling online courses, great. In-depth tutorials on video editing and recording. So that added that stuff in. And if it took anything out of here that I still want, then I could just copy and paste those in as well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and put it on my channel, and then I'm going to rework it there. Hey there, fellow Gen Xers. Welcome to my channel where we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of YouTube. I actually want them to say more keywords right away. I'm going to copy it because the first few hundred words are really important for getting keywords in. So I would like to go back to ChatGPT and say, rewrite first paragraph to be keyword heavy in the first few sentences. See, this is much better. I think it's much stronger. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to stick this here. I liked expert guidance every step of the way. I also liked leveling up your YouTube game. So that's good. That's still in there. Welcome to my channel where we're delving deep into the world of YouTube success for Gen Xers. If you're a budding YouTuber from Generation X, eager to start your journey towards semi-passive income, you've landed on the perfect platform. And I don't like that, actually. It just sounds a little egotistical to me. So I'm actually going to say you're in the right place. That's more my style. And you know, I don't know how many people ever actually even read your description, but it's really great for helping YouTube understand what you're doing. But once you have your final version, it says my description is too long. So it's only 1,000 characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and say, rewrite for under 1,000 characters. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put it in, and then I will edit it again. But now I'm under this, so I do have the option to publish showing up. I just wanted to pop in here for a second and say, if you are getting value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Now back to the video. Okay, and the last thing I want to talk about in this tutorial is doing the keywords for your channel. If we go to our drop-down menu over here, we'll want to go to YouTube Studio, and then we'll want to go down to Settings. And in Settings, you'll go to Channel. And then channel, basic info. You can then add in your keywords. So as you can see here, I've added in a bunch of keywords. I've added in my name, my last name, YouTube monetization, passive income, side hustle, affiliate marketing. And all of these words have come from my research of how people are searching for me. And also I did the ChatGPT thing and I looked up keywords for what I'm interested in promoting on my channel. I should add YouTuber in here if I don't have it. It doesn't look like I do, and I have some space left. A little over, so I might remove baby boomer, actually, YouTuber. But yeah, so basically this is where you would add all the keywords, and you want to use keywords that are describing the stuff you will be promoting on your channel, or that the people you want to attract. You can put short tail keywords in here, long tail keywords, and then once you're done and you like all that you have, then you can hit save and close it out. That's how you optimize your channel to have good keywords, both in your description and in your keywords for your channel. And one other tip that I want to say is that something that YouTube is now recognizing is what you say in your videos. If your video is about, like this one, Road to Monetization, my journey week 1, I really should mention that in the YouTube video. I should say, my monetization journey week 1 results revealed, or this week I'm talking about my results from my monetization journey. Use keywords as you speak in your videos as well, because it's now capturing those words and helping those words to adjust the YouTube algorithm in order to find viewers that are interested in your content. So that's just a bonus tip. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, I also have these 2 great videos you could watch next. Learn the specific steps for getting your channel monetized, as well as my top 5 ways to get more views on your channel. Great, thanks so much. Bye.